Hello everyone! Look at this amazing insect puzzle that I have for you today. Butterfly, mosquito, dragonfly, caterpillar, bee, ladybug, spider, ant, and a beetle. Oh wait, what is that sound? It's the wind. Hold on, little guys. Oh no, where did the insects go? It might have been that the wind blew them away. Can you help me find them? Great, let's look around. Oh whoa, we are the wetlands. And check out the dragonflies. They're flying everywhere. Dragonflies have 4 separate wings. This allows them to flap in all directions, even backwards. Look at this dragonfly. It's coming toward us. It's a dragonfly puzzle piece. Let's put it back on the board. Dragonflies like to live near the wetlands. Do you see the wetlands? Do you see it? Yeah, it's up there. To our next location. Now, look what we have here. An ant hill or ant colony. All ants in the colony work together to build their nest, find food, and to care for their young. Watch out! I see them coming toward us. Look, it's our ant puzzle piece. Let's put it back on the board. Ant hill? Where's the ant hill? Yeah, it's right there. You're back home, little guy. Let's go back to searching. What is this over here? It's a beehive. And look at all those bees. Did you know that bees collect nectar from flowers, take it back to their hive, and make honey? Wait, check out this bee. It's our bee puzzle. Let's put it back on the board. Now where does the bee go? There? No, that's a flower. Where does it go? Yes, to the hive. Fly to your house, little bee. Okay, let's look for the puzzles. Oh no! Watch out for all of those mosquitoes. These little guys have very itchy bites, but they're very important to the environment because other animals and insects eat them, like our good friend the dragonfly. Uh-oh, they're coming towards me. It's a mosquito puzzle. Let's put it back on the board. Now where does the mosquito live? Where does it live? On the ground? Nope. Where does it live? Can you help me? Yes, in the lake. Perfect. Yeah, that's where it goes. Let's look for more puzzle pieces. That's our good friend the spider. He's not really an insect. He's an arachnid. He has 8 legs and can spin amazing spider webs. Is that spider coming towards me? Yikes! I was scared for a second there. It's a spider puzzle. Let's put it back on the board. Where does the spider live? Can you help me? You're right, in the spider web. Amazing. Oh, only 4 more puzzle pieces. Take a look at all these damn beetles crawling across the ground. Did you know the beetles have hard shells and wings? Hey, check out this beetle coming towards us. It's our beetle puzzle. Let's put it back on the board. Those beetles were crawling from the ground. I guess that's where they live. So not the flower, not the apple. Yes, the ground. Let's see if it fits. It fits perfect. Awesome. I wonder where we're headed next. What's that on the flower? Oh, it's just a butterfly. Butterflies play an important role in the environment. They fly from flower to flower, taking pollen with them. This allows for new flowers to grow. Do you see that? It's coming towards us. Ah! It's our butterfly puzzle. Let's put it back on the board. Where does our butterfly live? Do you know where it lives? Yes, on the flower. Fly to your house, little butterfly. Amazing. Let's go to the next place. Caterpillars are fuzzy worm-like creatures that is the larva state of butterflies and moths. Hey, that caterpillar is getting close. It's our caterpillar puzzle. Let's put it back on the board. Let's see where you go, Mr. Caterpillar. Where do you live? In the apple or in a leaf? What do you think? Eating the apple? Let's see. Yes, sweet home caterpillar. Now only one insect left. That's a ladybug. It's easy to find with those bright red wings and black dots. Did you know that ladybugs are part of the Beetles family and that they eat many pests that can ruin gardens? So they are very beneficial to have around. Oh look, that one's flying towards me. It's a ladybug puzzle. Let's put it back on the board. Where does the ladybug live? Yes, in the leaf. Fly to your home, little guy. Awesome. We finished our insect puzzle. That was super fun. Thank you so much for helping me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye bye.